Hi. Now we are going to see the new feature. So it is added in the uh, 2020 onwards. It is added. This toolpath is called the this is the model chamfering. Okay. Earlier there was a chamfer toolpath is available. It is in the contour toolpath. There is a 2D chamfer is option is available. Uh, Now they have made it separate toolpath for this model chamfering. Okay. So what is it? It will in one shot after machining it will machine entire model. Just it will break the corners. Okay. So for this we need to have one solid model. So I already made the solid model. Select geometry. I will select the geometries. I selected the top all the profile. If you have any avoidance region or you don't want to machine there, that you can give. Otherwise, you can leave it. No, you can take here directly a chamfer tool. You can go here chamfer tool. I have taken 10 chamfer tool. If you want the tool number and feed rate and spindle speed, you can change as per your machine and the material. You can add your holders. So now the chamfer has come. So bottom shift is 1 mm. Chamfer width is so 0.5 I have given now. So all the things, other things are normal. Here depth of cut it will not allow because chamfer width you have given here. Suppose if you feel that chamfer width is bigger, so you should do it that one by the multi pass. Don't give depth uh, in the chamfer tool path. Okay. So you can see all other options are grayed out here. So if you want switch on lead in lead out. Okay, you can switch on the coolant. So now it will start generating the tool path. Now you can check it how it is look like. Your stock should be the same model. So I'll go here in the simulation. So I'll say solid. I'll select this solid. Okay. Now we'll get this same tool as a stock. So same model as a stock it is going to come. So now two passes we have made. So if it is a 0.5 cut is little heavy, so that's the reason. So two passes we are taking the material. So now you can see. So I brought the model here and I am going to run this. Speed if you want you can reduce it. Run. Okay. Now you can see that this is the chamfer. So by doing this you machine entire model and lastly you do the model chamfer. So wherever there is a sharp corner it will break. Okay. Now the question is Suppose I don't want a chamfer, I need a fillet on the edges. Then what you will do? Yes, you can do it. Only the thing is, uh, I will I'll go again. For this you can do it in the ordinary contour toolpath itself. For this you no need a model chamfer. So you can select normal contour toolpath. Maybe there may be chances in the compensation issue. So let me check it. So I'll select the radius tool now. Radius tool I am taking. So no radius tool available. So it's here. Okay, radius tool. Okay, so we can give the diameter. I select the tool and give the appropriate feed rate and spindle speeds. So we'll see there is must be chances of a compensation issue. I will give zero point 0.5 here. So all the things it's similar to the contour, nothing is there big here. Uh, Depth will keep zero point 0.5. Yes, compensation is the issue here. So first we'll do one thing. First we'll take a single chain, finish it, then we'll add one by one. So its compensation is right side. How do you decide the compensation left or right? So you can see that there is a green arrow. You stand behind that back of this green arrow. So now you can decide whether right hand side the tool has to come or left hand side. So tool has to be right hand side. Okay. So you check it the compensation. It should be there right hand side. Right hand side you change it. Okay. And regenerate. So now you check it how it is look like. Then later you can add it. So this is the filleting. If you need still more fillet, so now we need to give the depth a little more. 6 tool it is. So given little more. Just I want to show you. Uh, we know how to make chamfer, but we don't know how to make radius. The people may come across this issue. For that reason only, I just shown this example. So we can modify this radius less also. So you can modify the tool. Okay. We can change the depth also. We'll give -3. So it will make a 3 mm fillet here. So we have, so now you cannot do inner and outer fillet things in single tool path because the compensation issue will come. Okay. So you need to make two tool path for outer compensation one tool and inner compensation one operation like this. two operation you need to do. So I will just copy it and so now compensation should be in the should be in the left. So stand back side of the arrow. So we need it should be in the right hand side compensation. Okay. So if you have taken wrong means it will make everywhere the issue. Okay. Remaining I am not changing anything. I will accept it. -3. Okay. So later on if you want you can add a number of remaining other contours also. So now we have seen how to make a chamfering in the model and also how to make a radius in the radius fillet in the model. These two things we have seen now. So I have given a 0.25 only here. You can see it depends upon the how the tool is. Okay. So like this you can make the radius also. Okay. Thank you.